Hello my dears, you all are welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Masters 1. Today too we are going to have a new video, and this video is also on mathematical problem. We will straight away go to the problem. Now you see this diagram here. This is a straight line, then there are three semicircles above the straight line, upon the straight line, and there are two semicircles below the straight line. Then these several lengths have been given upon the straight line. 20, this part is 20, this part is 30, this part is 40, and two lengths have been given below the straight line. This part is 10, this part is 20. Now I will these three semicircles upon the straight line are A, B, C. These two semicircles below the straight line X and Y. Now look at the description. All lengths are in centimeters. These 20 centimeters, 30 centimeters, 40 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 20 centimeters. The semicircles A, B and C are identical. That means this semicircle, this semicircle, this semicircle, semicircles A, B and C are identical semicircles. They are equal in shape and size. Then semicircle X and Y are also identical. Then these two semicircles below the straight line are also identical semicircles. Therefore these two are also, X and Y are also equal in shape and size, right? These three semicircles are identical, these two semicircles are identical, but these and these are not identical. This and this, or this and this, so these semicircles above the line are not identical to the semicircles below the line, but semicircles above the line are identical and semicircles below the line are identical. So that is the description. And then there's another important point that you have to take, that is, they say diameter of the semicircle X is twice the diameter of the semicircle A. Then if you take the semicircle A, its diameter, semicircle X, diameter of semicircle X is twice the diameter of semicircle A. That's what it says, right? Now the question is to find the diameter of the semicircle A. Diameter of this smaller semicircle is what has to be found in this problem, right? Now we will try to approach the problem, right? Now they say this diameter of this semicircle A is D. This diameter of the semicircle X is twice the diameter of the semicircle A. Therefore, if the diameter of semicircle A is D, diameter of the semicircle X must be 2D, because the semicircle diameter of the semicircle X is twice the diameter of semicircle A. Then if the diameter of the semicircle A is D, the diameter of the semicircle B and C also must be D each, because they are equal in shape and size. Those three semicircles are identical. A, B, C are identical semicircles, right? If the diameter of the semicircle X is 2D, diameter of the semicircle Y also must be 2D, because they are two identical semicircles. Now this is a straight line. Now there are some lengths given in figures, some lengths of the straight line given in figures, and some lengths are in letter terms. In whatever way the lengths have been given, we can form two statements by using the letter terms and the figures given above the straight lines. We can form a statement for the length of the straight line by using the figures and the letter terms above the straight line. that is 20 plus d plus 30 plus d plus 40 plus d will be the length of the straight line. Then also we can form a statement for the length of the straight line by using the figures and letter terms given below the straight line, that is this part 2d, this part 10, this part 2d, this part 20. Then the statement from the figures and expressions below the straight line for the length of the straight line will be 2d plus 10 plus 2d plus 20. That will give you the length of the straight line. Therefore we can write two statements for the length of the straight line like this. One is from above the straight line. Above the straight line we can write 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus d plus d plus d equals 20 plus 30 50 plus 40 90 d plus d plus d 3d. So that is the statement giving the length of the straight line obtained from the figures and letter terms above the straight line. Now this gives you the length of the straight line. Now by using the figures and the letter terms below the straight line, we can obtain another statement for the length of the same straight line by using the figures and the letter terms below the straight line. That is this length plus this length plus this length plus this length, that is 2d plus 10 plus 2d plus 10, 2d plus 10 plus 2d plus 20. Then this will be equal to 2d 2d 4d 10 20 30. Right, now we have obtained two statements for the length of the same straight line. This one gives the length of the straight line, this statement also gives the length of the straight line. Both statements give the length of the same straight line, therefore these two lengths must be equal. Then we can write an equation like this: 90 plus 3d equals 4d plus 30. Then take this 3d to this side, then negative, take this 30 to this side, it will become negative. 90 minus 30, 3d is taken to that side, become negative 4d minus 3d. Then 90 minus 30 will be 60, 4d minus 3d will be d. Then d will be equal to 60 centimeters. Then d is the diameter of the semicircle A. What is asked to be found is the diameter of the semicircle A. Then solution will be the diameter of the semicircle A is 60 centimeters. That is the solution. So that is the solution of this problem. Then we will meet in another video with another problem like this. And if you enjoy this video, subscribe my channel Smarter Saman and press the bell icon also to have the notifications of new videos. And have a nice time. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much.